How to enable two-factor authentication on Ring app. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Ring app. Here we go. You will land to the dashboard page. Now at the top left corner, you're going to find three bars. Click on it. Navigate to the option of account settings. Now head towards the section account security. Under that, you will find the option of two-step verification. Click on that option. Two-step verification. How should we send you codes? Text message or authenticator app? Select the option of your choice. I'm gonna select text message. You can also select authenticator app. Generate verification codes with a third-party app. No internet connection required. I'm gonna select text message. Let's set up your number to receive two-step verification codes. Click on continue. First, you'll need to verify your identity. So go ahead and type in your password. Then click on continue. Now type in your phone number over here that you want to use for the verification purpose and then click on continue. Now you will be receiving verification code in the phone number that you have just entered. Type in that code over here, then click on verify code. And just for that, you have enabled two-factor verification on your Ring app. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.